guys. We're cooking in the dark here. No electricity. Let's start the fire. I wanna cook chicken. Native chicken. I have ready here the meat. There's the meat, guys. I said that one on top so those can't get it. That's the chicken. I'm going to make a soup. There you go. Cooking in the dark. I'm slicing here a onion for the soup. Ondoy cooking here. Substitute. Nagana na do eh. That's a big chicken.
Saan ka tayo ni?
Ako may tungitaan ni mo eh. She's looking for lever. Ibutang ako ng kondoy. See the soap. Wow. There's no electricity yet. Wow. Wala kalami. Look at guys. Di an makita doy. Naka na. Wow. Good size. We add lemongrass there. Onion. Garlic. Hi guys. Hi, finally. Thanks God the electricity is back. And the chicken soup, wow, so delicious really guys. You should see that. Grabe, lami kayo. Super delicious. Tastes good really guys. Great soup. This is native chicken, Bisayang Manok with pichay, and I add lemongrass. The lemongrass is, I don't know where's the lemongrass here now. Here's the lemongrass, guys. I add lemongrass. See that? Smells good. Fantastic, guys. Please eat. Nobody's in the kitchen here. It's so quiet, the kitchen. Philip's eating too. And Philip's different food because he cannot wait for the chicken. Chicken needs to cook. Especially this is native. It needs to cook for the longest time. So Philip just make his own food. That's so yummy, really. But I won't eat that one. I wanna eat this one. The chicken. The soup is so yummy, so delicious. Wow, let's eat, guys. Let me try. Wow, yummy. A little sweet, fresh. Wow, with the fresh pizza, yummy. Wow, sarap. I need to eat this one, guys. Although it's not around, he go out, so I will eat here. So bye guys. Let's eat everybody. Yummy. Panington si Danny. Soup is still warm. Sarap. Bye bye.